A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to study class 8th English Channel Unit 3 Section C, a special request. Students, do you know what is a special request? A special request is something which we demand or we ask to do anything uh, on an on a special occasion. Okay, let us read the chapter. Students, this is very funny chapter. There are numerous elements in this chapter. Let us see. First para of this chapter. It was the grandest family reunion of the town. 5 generations of the family gathered for Jacob and Sheila Johnson's Golden Jubilee celebrations. It was a large family: sons, daughters, in laws, nieces, nephews, grand and great grandchildren, uncles, aunts, and other remotely related were invited. The grand family numbered 76 individuals, the youngest twins, all of 12 years, and the oldest 93 years. Reunion means two or more people coming together again. Golden Jubilee means 50th anniversary. So, students, this is a humorous story I told you. This story is about two twins who outwitted the famous singer and lyricist. It was the biggest family function of the town. It was the occasion of Jacob and Sheila Johnson's Golden Jubilee celebration, means 50th anniversary. It was a big family in which 5 generations were included. All the members of the family, like sons, daughters, in laws, nieces, nephews, grand and great grandchildren, uncles, aunts, and other distant relatives, were invited. This family had total 76 members. The youngest member of the family were two twins of 12 years old, and biggest oldest is 93-year old. The celebration, of course, had to match expectations. A banquet was good, but why not make it a gala affair by having every sort of entertainment for the varying ages present? So, yes, there was something for everyone, a description of which would not be as interesting as being there in person. Expectations means hopes, entertainment means fun, wedding means different, gala means a special social celebration. So, to match the hopes of everyone, a good feast was organized. They wanted to make it a fun for all type of different aged persons. They wanted to make it interesting for everyone. This celebration was very interesting, and it can be described, it can't be described, it can only be felt. Uh, if we are physically present there, only then we can feel it, otherwise it cannot be described. Everyone was very much entertained there. The highlight of the evening was the guest Ashok Bhatt, a famous singer and lyricist. He also did comedy shows occasionally. Ravi Kant, Jacob's eldest son, had specially invited him because his parents loved his music. So, what better gift than to have him write a special song for them and perform it at well? So, to make it interesting, Ravi Khan, Mr. Jacob, and Sheila's eldest son invited Mr. Ashok Bhatt, who was a famous singer and lyricist. He invited him because his father and mother loved very much this comedian. He did comedy shows also sometimes, and his parents loved his music. So, this was the best gift for his parents to write a special song and perform it well. So, students, this was the better gift, best gift. As if you like anyone, and if you like any singer or dancer, and if he was called for you, that is the special gift for you. So Mr. Ravikant called this comedian singer as his father and mother loved him, so he invited him. The twins Sally and Srili were especially curious about the singer-songwriter. Being the youngest, they took advantage of this exclusiveness to have a private word with him, and he very kindly obliged. Sally, well-mannered and intelligent, and Srini, quick-witted and soft-spoken, hit it off with Ashok immediately. He was floored by their charming innocence. Srini insisted he was 12 and Sally was 13. Curious means eager. Exclusive means not including others, the only ones. जो अपने जैसा होता है एक ही, उसके जैसा कोई नहीं होता. Obliged means did something as an act of kindness. Quick-witted means showing an ability to think and respond effectively. Charming means attractive. Hit it off means to get along with. Means अच्छे से बन जाना किसी के साथ. Flawed means greatly affected with admiration for someone. The twins, Sally and Srili, were very eager about Mr. Ashok Bhatt. They talked, they were the youngest, so they took advantage of this. Because students, if you are young, so you can go and talk to anyone. They also talked to Mr. Ashok Bhatt, and Mr. Ashok Bhatt was also very humble. Shelley, Shelley was very well mannered and intelligent, and Sri was quick witted and soft spoken. What is quick witted? Showing an ability to think and respond effectively means हाजी जवाब, और soft spoken भी था. तो they got along with Ashok Bhatt immediately, and Ashok Bhatt was also very much affected by their attractive innocence. Then they were twins, but Srini insisted that he was 12 years old and Sally was 13 years old. How is that possible? You are twins, Ashok said with an incredulous smile. You see, Sally is 12 minutes older than me, Srini said seriously. Ashok laughed at kids' wit. Would he grant them a special request? Of course he would. It was a touching request. Please, Mr. Bhatt, we would love to see great grandfather laugh. You are a comedian as well, aren't you? Shelley said in all earnestness. Srini added persuasion with appeal written large in his wide eyes. Credulous means feeling or showing disbelief. Earnestness means honesty. Appeal and earnest request. Ashok Bhatt said unbelievingly that was not as possible as they were twins. Then Srini said seriously that Sally is 12 minutes older than him. Ashok laughed at the ability to talk in a clever way. Then they asked him if he would grant them a special request. Mr. Bhatt agreed as it was a moving request. They requested Mr. Bhatt that they wanted to see their great grandfather laugh. Sally said this in sincere seriousness, and Srini also wanted the same as this appeal, this prayer she showed in her eyes, in his wide eyes. Sorry, he's a boy. In his wide eyes, he showed that he wanted the same. Ashok began. Song after song was uploaded as he peppered them with puns, one-liner and riddles. He fired good old jokes and regaled them with brand new ones. My father, who served in World War II, was once asked, "Did you ever kill anyone?" And he replied in a soft voice, "Probably I was the cook." So Ravikant, I hope the cooks here are under surveillance. Ashok said. Jacob Johnson, an ex-serviceman, said himself, roared with laughter at that one. Regaled means to entertain, richly to give pleasure or amusement. To surveillance means a very close watch, close supervision. Ashok sang many songs and got clapping for that because he added with those songs double meaning jokes, riddles, and old and new jokes. He told one joke that he said that His father was a but his father served in World War II, and he was asked if he has killed anyone. He answered in polite manner. Possibly he was a cook, so he hoped the cooks there were under surveillance, close supervision. To listen that, Jacob Johnson, who was an ex-serviceman himself, laughed loudly at that one joke. All the while, Ashok kept an eye on the great grandfather, but old man was not moved by the humor that had everyone wiping their tears or holding their sides from the ache brought on by uproarious laughter. This is such an emotional moment for everyone, he said. Even the cake is in tears. The children rolled on the floor laughing. Ashok went on till he was hoarse and furiously funny, but he never moved the old man, never a ghost of a smile, and never a suspicion of moisture in the eye. He was astounded. Fortunately for Ashok, dinner was announced. Act means pain. Uproarious means loud, furiously, very much. Tears, one of a number of levels, means एक के ऊपर एक. जैसे परत होती है 3 tier cake. Astounded to fill with wonder or amazed. All the time, Ashok Bhatt kept an eye, means he saw on the great grandfather. Everyone was laughing very much, but great grandfather did not laugh. They were laughing so loudly that even their bellies hurt, but he did not laugh. Then Ashok Bhatt said that it was very emotional moment. Even the cake is in tears. Tears here is double meaning word. Tears means आंसू और tears means एक के बाद एक जो लेवल होता है केक का. तो उसने कहा कि केक भी इवन टीयर्स में है. तो चिल्ड्रन वर लाफिंग लाउडली. अशोक क्रैक्ड मैनी जोक्स बट ही कुड नॉट मेक ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर लाफ. ही वॉज वेरी surprised. Luckily, the dinner was announced. Later that evening, Ravikant offered to drive the guest entertainer home. He commented about the side-splitting songs and jokes he shared and the extra effort he put in to entertain the family, all in a day's work, said Ashok, humbly accepting the praise. But I had good reason. Those adorable twins asked me to try and make great grandfather laugh. But side splitting is very funny. Then later that evening, Ravikant drove the guest to home. On the way, Ravikant commented that he made many funny jokes and songs. He performed very good, but and also put extra effort to entertain the family. All this admiration Ashok Bhatt accepted politely, but he said, those lovely kids asked me to great grandfather laugh, but I could not make him laugh. What? Ravikant slammed the brakes and pulled over the side, guffawing. Why do you laugh? Is he blind or deaf? Ashok asked apologetically. Yes, I mean, no. That was a wax model of Grandpa. We got it made for the family photograph. Ashok was speechless. That was a first for him. To listen that, Ravikant was very surprised. He applied brakes suddenly and pulled over the car at the side, laughing. Then Ashok asked him why did he laugh. He asked if apologetically, he asked if great grandfather was deaf or blind. Then Ravikant replied that that was the wax model of grandpa. And this was a joke made on Ravikant. And this was the first time that he became the victim of a joke. And Sally and Srini outwitted him, and Mr. Bhatt was speechless to listen that. So student, this is all. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching the video.